Ladies and gentlemen, we have a brand new house at Halloween Horror Nights.
Hear the gates creak open wide. Guess who's waiting just in...
I want you to prepare yourself. I want you to pucker, just pucker in general. We're almost there. Almost there. Try not to be too disappointed, like me. Evil Dead Burn. Let's go see the merch. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Evil Dead merch roundup. First off, we have a Deadite and a dog. I have not seen the movie. I heard it's god-awful, so I'm not planning on seeing the movie. The shirt is a complete disappointment. There is no HHN insignia anywhere on it, nothing on the back. That's pretty much it. I will say that this hat is absolutely it though. Like when you turn it, you have the thing that's on the shirt here. I don't know if it's it looks like a roller, maybe like a cake roller. And here's your closer look at the Deadite and the dog. I do apologize for the glare. We are bright Florida today. And yeah, it's pretty much it. You come back to the back and it's just as, disappointing. I don't like the direction they've taken with shirts this year. I feel like whoever's designing them is just slapping a couple of things together and saying, bam, HHN shirt. All right, Benjamin, Evil Dead Burn, you excited?
Sure. Looking at that much, sure.
Why don't we go check out the HHN decorations?
That's a great idea.
Well, since that release was a little bit disappointing, let's look at the Halloween Horror Night setups that they do have, because I know that you guys would love to see that. Come on. We have the Sideshow of Decay, featuring Cindy. Cindy? Yeah, Cindy. This is one of the stands that we have already. Very colorful, very gorgeous. It's giving abandoned carnival sideshow. But we are ecstatic that Cindy is coming back. So, and this little stage here just popped up. I don't know what this stage is. Now this right here looks very interesting. They just added it, so it's the first time I'm seeing this. Weird, right? And it's also blocked off because I guess there's some removable parts that they don't want touched. So this one, I think we're gonna have hidden scare actors just literally lunging at you. They want to say hello, of course. They want to take you out to dinner. But this is the piece de resistance right here. This lets you know you messed up. You walked into the wrong neighborhood. If you don't like clowns, turn your butt around. It's a massive structure. Let me get you guys the front too. So to be honest with you, I was kind of expecting Ozzy Osbourne, because for those of you that watch, social media, you might have noticed that a Spotify commercial came out saying the Ozzy Osbourne house. So the fact that we got Evil Dead Burn was kind of surprising. I came dressed for the Prince of Darkness. There is a rumor he might, I mean, we already heard the commercial. And it was on a legit spot. It was Spotify, so it's not like it's going to be BS. So it is coming. The question is when. Who knows? By the time you see this, Ozzy Osbourne is already announced. Frequent Fear passes dropped today. I was able to get mine. I'm excited. No more Express, but who cares, man? Express, if you have a Frequent Fear pass, you're going to come enough times to see every house. Multiple times. So some of y'all need to calm down with this freaking out over Express. It is what it is. Enjoy the theme. Enjoy the scare zones. Eat a hot dog. Over in the New York area, this is where we have rumored Killer Clowns from Outer Space to be roaming. We have this. Are you guys seeing the theme? It's circus. If you guys can't tell, the theme is absolutely circus. And the tribute store is returning to its rightful place. Let me tell you something. I missed it. I cannot wait to go to those doors. We do have a ticket booth here, so that's pretty interesting. Like I said, we're sticking to the carnival theme. Yep, this is the other side of New York by Louis. I love Louis. It's probably the same identical sign on this side. Yep. So you're not missing much. It is literally the same sign on this side. From head to toe. So this is new and unexpected. Behind the New York area, we have this little stage here. I am curious to see what's gonna happen here. What do you guys think? As a final note, Dead Coconut Invasion was announced, Club HHN was announced, and Mel's Zombies was announced. So a little bit of familiarity, which is not typical of Universal. So it's good to see. All right, guys, there is your announcement. I hope no one is disappointed or heartbroken. I do like the sets at the sideshow over here. That's why I came back here. I feel like the scare zones are gonna eat this year, but we'll just have to wait and see. Until next time, catch you on the next drop.
Spoiler alert, it ain't your show. They chant my name wherever I go.